Just kind of works. Hey, what's up, gang of losers? Here we are beside our new shop doing some work in the dirt. Now we're actually working on getting the lift up in the shop, so we haven't spread out the AB or anything, so we don't have ramps to get up that way, and we got cars in storage over here.
I offered to move one.
He did offer to move one. He did offer to move one, but we're doing rear shocks today. I got these Beau Street Performance. They're 3-inch drop shocks, and if you've never done shocks on a hard body, they're a tiny deal. They take like, I don't know, 20 minutes to do both sides. So yeah, we'll be done in like 2 hours, maybe 4 days. That's pretty much standard for us. Anyways, these were like, I think probably 150 bucks for the pair, 140 bucks for the pair, something like that. I've never used them. I think last time I used like, what's on there?
I don't know, there's something with like this little rubber thing?
They're red. They're red, so I don't know. You would think red means racing, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll get them off and we'll show them to you. Look at this. So nice. It's late day. The hot sun's out, and here we are in our new shop.
So
Dope.
the temperature is...
Right? And now we got to get work done. So let's do this. Ronnie's talking some BS right now. Your mic's like, oh, it's down in your shirt pocket.
I know, I just put it there.
It's picking up better.
Make it sound better.
It's picking up better. This is what I'm replacing, and this is what I'm replacing it with. These reds, like I just... So I just took these off, and I pulled that little boot up, and it says that they're KYB. I didn't know that. I don't remember like when they got put on there, but I mean, they worked fine until they didn't work, and now they don't work. So we're replacing them with these Beau Street Performance, Beau Street Performance. And they're supposed to be 3-inch drop shocks. Are they 3-inch shorter than these? I don't know. They're not, they're still compressed, so we'll see. I don't think it's going to make a difference, right? It doesn't make a difference.
I don't know.
But we're going to see. That's what we do here. Hey, Dom.
What's up, guys?
Dom brought his new POS by, so we might go out and look at that, make fun of it and stuff.
Pray for me.
Wait until y'all see the shift knob. It's dope. So, hey, I'm going to crawl up under the the truck real quick. Let me get my flashlight. All right, this is the bottom of the simple turbo truck. If anybody's ever wanted to see up underneath it, it's nothing exciting. We just have drop blocks over there, 3.5 inch. It looks like 4 inch. Does that look like 4 inch?
They're big.
Yeah, they are big. 4-inch drop blocks. Yeah, and they're already angled, and plus we have something like 4 or 5-inch angles on top of that. Let me zoom in here. I say zoom in. I'm just gonna slide over there, and that's what I'm running right there. Pretty janky. That's a brake line in front there. And then we got the, I think this is a Beau or a Helwick sway bar back here. I can't really tell, and it doesn't say on it. So it's a Beau. It's a Beau combinations. Just trying whatever I can. So they're in. If you've ever done shocks on the back of an old truck, it takes all of 10 minutes. If you have air tools, it probably takes 3 minutes. So whatever, they're in. We're gonna put this thing on the ground. We're gonna take it out on the street and see if that helped this vibration issue at all. I doubt it will have fixed it or helped it at all, but you never know. We can pray. Like I said, I don't know shit about trucks, so we're just gonna see what happens, and then everybody can laugh at me when we're done. We went out for a drive. We slid a little bit, but we didn't get on camera, unfortunately. As we thought, like the shocks didn't fix the vibration. I'm gonna get up under here and try to get the drive shaft out and take a look at the drive shaft and see if there's something, you know, amiss with the drive shaft. So that's what I'm gonna do right now.
Hey, look, here's the original PEI for my Nissan.
Dude! Ronnie just found the original pre-delivery inspection checklist for his hard body from 1997. February 12th, 1997. So this is what it looks like with the shop going. We're actually getting projects done. Dominic's standing here as always, looking cool. Give us some air, Ronnie. Let's see it. Holy crap. That's pretty low. Is that all the way aired out? Jeez. I pulled my drive shaft out and it's got some like rub marks where the U-joints are kind of like hitting the ends. Let me get up under here and see if I can see this stuff. Where's my flashlight? I don't know. Let me see if I can see this. Get up under here. Okay, here we go. Right here. Right there. The U-joint right here is hitting and making an indentation right there. You can see it. And there's so much distance right there. Like I can't imagine the pinion angle getting so extreme while I'm driving that it's hitting right there. But I definitely got to take it to a drive shaft guy because that is unsatisfactory. So here we are. We couldn't figure out what the issue was with the drive line. Still got a vibration. The vibration it's not like through the body of the truck.
It's really weird.
It's in the shifter. So like I get up to like 45, 50 miles an hour and the shifter just vibrates so hard that you can barely hold on to it. It's crazy. Hell, we might just go 3-link to get rid of this because I need to drift this thing. I need to daily this thing. I enjoy driving it. I love it. It doesn't have any problem sliding, and that's what we're kind of here to do at the spot, as you can see. Stand by.
The spot.
Move this. You can't have stuff flying all over the place. Take my key out because my key tends to fly all over the place. There's like glass all over the place out here. I don't know what's up. Watch out for the glass.
Yeah.
See, it's still sliding pretty good. And no crazy vibration in the shifter, thank goodness. I'm gonna turn around and go the other way. If I thought it would get on the interstate, I'd take it to a drift event, but I can't be doing 50 on the interstate. All right, let's stop here.